Welcome to Fitu Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to make the curry paste. The one we choose today is Massaman. Yeah, the most difficult. Okay, we start the ingredients. Just too many. Sometimes I forgot what it's called in English. Right, we start from nutmeg. We use 2 pieces of nutmeg. First, we have to break in before we roast, and then 10 pieces of cardamom, half teaspoon of cumin seed, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, a few pieces of anise star, 2 pieces of cinnamon, 5 pieces of garlic, and 1 shallot is sliced into small pieces, 4-5 pieces of galangal, 2 stems of lemongrass, 6 pieces of cloves, and a half teaspoon of black pepper, 4 pieces of coriander root, 1 teaspoon of chili paste, and half, just we slice into half only skin for the kaffir lamb, 6 pieces of dry small bird chili, and then how many pieces of Thai long red chili? 6-7 pieces. Yeah, and all this one we need to roast first. Okay, now we roast into the wok with low gas. We choose the hard one first, but this one we need to break the nutmeg. Yeah.
You just break it open.
Yeah, we make it open. If our skin is hard, then you throw the skin out. Yeah. We put in the wok. We choose the difficult one, the hard one. Or this one, if you can't get the whole one, you can get the powder. Maybe easy for you. You can get from Indian supermarket. Okay, and after that, we put the cardamom, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, black pepper, clove, lemongrass, galangal, garlic, and shallot, coriander root, and we sliced skin half of the kaffir lamb, just the skin. If this kaffir lamb, if you put too much, the taste become bitter. Okay, when you see the color change to a little bit brown, yeah, put chili paste, and chili. Oh, this one double. This one you have to very calm when you do this the curry paste.
Gently close to release the flavor and the aroma.
Yeah, yeah, you can feel aroma come out. Yeah, that's why the Massaman curry paste is the most expensive, because too many ingredients. Okay, you look the color, right? Yeah, now you smell aroma. Oh, the spice, I don't know, 20 spices. Okay, now we ready to grind it.
Yeah, that's enough, yeah?
Yeah, enough. If not burn. You see smoke come out with the aroma. Okay, now we've got this one already done, and now we grind it. We use the small machine first, and then after that we use the mortar. Yeah, we put in the small machine. You can straight away put in here, but I don't have the energy to do it. The battery will go halfway. Okay, now we put in the pestle. We call what this one we call pestle or mortar.
So how small do you want this to get before you?
Until become very fine. Okay, now my curry paste ready to cook it. Yeah. Yeah, why I do this one, I put salt a little bit, but you didn't shoot. Okay, now we start to cook Massaman curry with beef today. Yeah, we did show before the previous one a few years ago. Yeah, something like that. But today we use
Chicken drumsticks.
chicken drumstick. But today we used our curry paste, homemade, right? Okay, first we put a little bit of cooking oil in here and hide the gas a bit, and then we fry. We take half first just in case, yeah, because this one we can do put 2 portions. Yeah, and we fry the curry paste until you get a nice smell. Oh no, if the the people complain why I use this one. Okay.
Why you have to explain to them? It's fine.
No, you can cut there, I explain to you. We fry the curry paste. It's not too much longer than red curry or Penang curry because all the ingredients we lost it. We get the aroma from them already. Then we add first we add the coconut milk, the top one first. Yeah, just a little bit. You fry only a few 4 or 5 minutes. Yeah, and then you put the beef. I slide into the big chunk. I put to the sink for me. Okay. Yeah, add a little bit by bit of coconut milk. We leave it until beef cook. Okay, this one 15 minutes we've been cooking. Yeah, so to make sure the beef have cooked, we put fish sauce. You can put fish sauce or salt, depend on how you like it. Palm sugar about tablespoon. Tamarind sauce. You can get the ready one from the supermarket. Tablespoon, and then you taste it. A bit more of this one. A bit more of palm sugar. Ui. Massaman, yeah, the taste have to be sweet first. Sweet, salty and sour. They just leave for a few minutes. Okay, now our Massaman curry is ready. Okay, we're ready to serve.
This time we don't put the nutmeg.
No. If the original, they put the original put nut, but too many people already it with nut. That's why.
Alright, so we're here to try this lovely Massaman beef. Very nice. Not too spicy, creamy. So give that a go. Easy to make at home. There's a lot of ingredients, but they're pretty easy to find in this day and age. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you again next week. Thanks. Bye.